I think one of the bigger things about defendants' rights and the misconceptions of defendants is that they should talk to police about their own case. A private attorney is a lawyer that's not paid for by the state that is paid that you're going to have to pay for. Both, importantly, both of those people are attorneys.
Bail doesn't always work in your favor.
Bail is not a bribe. Bail is simply an amount of money that is to ensure your return to court. When your first court appearance, if you're in jail, you'll be there within a couple of days. And you can then ask the court to set bond, and you can post it in cash, or if you can't post it in cash, then you can call a bondsman. If you don't want to wait before you go to court, you can call a bondsman immediately upon being booked. Most of the time, a trial by jury would be preferable over a trial by the judge, only because your fate would be determined by one person if you had it in front of the judge, whereas if you had your trial in front of a jury, you have other people, you have many more people to be able to discuss your case and reach a verdict.
Jurors will be instructed that if the district attorney hasn't proved each and every element of the case, every part of this case beyond a reasonable doubt, every element of the charge beyond a reasonable doubt, that they must find the defendant not guilty. And in fact, if the juror has reasonable doubt, if the district attorney hasn't proved his case beyond a reasonable doubt, then the defendant should be acquitted, and they will be instructed to acquit. Reasonable doubt is a source of confusion for jurors, and I think defendants shouldn't hang their hat on the fact that because there are some discrepancies in the evidence, that jurors will have a reasonable doubt in the case.
Probation is a system where you're actually released conditionally, and the condition on your release is that you must report to a probation officer who oversees your release. Essentially, they're going to make sure that if you're supposed to do drug testing, that you do drug testing. If you're supposed to take domestic violence classes, that you take domestic violence classes.